Oh man, just missed the UPS truck by the minute. What is this? I've been expecting him to at least knock. Maybe he did. Oh man, now I have to pick it up at the office, main office, or well, that's okay. It's only close by. Let's go get this thing. Man, I'm so excited to get this. I have mixed feelings about this thing though. I'm not sure if I got the right one. They have two pictures on there and they're both the same pictures. They're illustrations, but the only difference is the part number. And as far as like the what do you call that, the specification and everything and the detail are two different things. But I know what I want. But since I missed it yesterday, but anyway, today I'm gonna go get it and we'll see what happens. If it's a no, then I'll just go and return it. If it's a yay, oh yeah, and I've been wanting this one. So let's go get it. I'm gonna go get it and then come back and explain to you guys what I was doing yesterday, why I missed the UPS guy. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. Man, this thing better be correct. Man, package over package. Heck is that? Made in Japan. That's it, man. That's what I got. Yeah, man. Holy shit. Got the instructions. It's written in Japanese. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it has an English version too. How cool is that? That's good. And some mounting bolts. This is the most that I have been waiting for a long time, man. God. Oh, I can't hide it, brother. Sorry, man. Oh my Lord. Oh man. Jesus. Well, there you go, guys. I have been waiting for this one for a long time. You know, oh, shit. Look at me. Damn, I have a goosebump. Damn, brother. Jeez. It's like having a baby for the first time. Jeez. Dang, blood. Oh, man. I'm so speechless, dude. Man. Jesus Christ. Now I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put this on. You know? Damn, brother. Shit, dude. You know, I have searched and emailed a lot. You know, a lot of shippers or seller on eBay. You know, from Japan and everything, and emailed every one of or single one of them. And you know, I've been asking if you have the part. It shows that they have the part, but when I emailed it, they emailed me back. When they replied, they don't have one. That it's gonna be on it's on back order, not until December. And I even have a nephew that lives in Japan. You know, he's a teacher over there, and I even asked him if it's okay for him to look for me one of these, even a used one. And he sent me back. Apparently there's also a Yahoo auctions over there, and he sent it to me, and when I clicked it, I saw the prices. It's just, you know, a used one, it's gonna cost me. And I also check even Spoon USA here in the California, which is, there's one in Orange. I called them, same thing. It's on back order until December. Evasive Motorsports. And then I've been checking all my favorite websites. You know, I always get my parts from. And all of a sudden, like I said earlier, that they put two pictures on there. It was a monoblock pictures, but there's two part numbers. I took a chance. I just could not. I was at work and I'm thinking about it. I wonder if this is the same one. You know, like whatever they're listed. And I just took a gamble. I picked the part number that I really wanted, and this is it. And yeah, it's here after 2 days. You know, with all the search and everything, finally, it's here. It's in my possession. Hot dang. I could not believe it. You know, just to give you a story, ever since I'm involved on Hondas, and ever since I've seen these on Integras, and I've always been wanting one. You know, when I was stationed in San Francisco back in 2005, I almost got it. There's a Spoon racing outfit out there, which is authorized by Spoon, over by Millbrae, I think, or Burlingame. And I went there and almost got it. I almost bought it. That was back then. It was only $1,200. You know, back in 2005. But after the search is over, it's right here. Cool, man. But this is what I'm working on. Yeah, yesterday I didn't hear him coming the UPS guy. It's because I just converted Miley from drum to rear disc. I wasn't gonna blog this one. I mean, you know, it's like it's not really. Sometimes it's not really a plug and play. You know, you thought everything would be just bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. But no. I sourced the. I think I have shown you guys where I got the parts from. The spindle. I got that from the junkyard. And when I put it on, I was putting the ARP long extended studs, and it just go right through the hub. I said, man, what is going on? So I called Jason from A1 Motorsports, and I told him, hey, the ARP studs, it just went right through. You know, and there's something's wrong here, you know. So I asked him if this is correct, you know, if it's Honda and Acura, do they share the same part number? And he guaranteed me that they're all the same. Well, what I found out was it looks like that the hub is an aftermarket. If you guys are building or putting an extended studs, wheel studs, on your Civic or Acura, I guess, or it goes to any like Honda Accords or anything. If you have an aftermarket hub, the ARP studs is not gonna work. This one didn't, and I went through the internet, and yeah, I watched the YouTube, and there's a guy that I saw that mentioned that if you have an aftermarket hub, that ARP stud is not going to work. So what ended up happening is, or what I end up doing was, I welded the stud. Yeah, the stud is permanent on one of them. The other one is okay, it's OEM. That's how I found out that one is aftermarket. Yeah, I welded the stud on there. The stud cost $30 or $40 for a new one, and the hub is also cost that much, maybe $30 also. So I just went ahead and just welded it. So for anyone that wanted to do a rear disc conversion on their Civic, the 4-door, parts list, I got all my parts from 1998 Acura Integra 4-door, and parking brakes is it's all good. I was checking on the website, and it kept saying use SI parking brake cables, but this one, it works. It's a plug and play. Okay, and also as far as like bleeding the brakes, I'll wait till the motor is out, and I'm going to install a 40-40 proportioning brake valve. It's because of since I'm changing the booster and everything. And this one, I got this from I think it was a 1997 a Civic DX, yeah, Delta X-ray. And before I removed this, I checked it on the internet, and this is the same as the SI, just like what the on the web, what you can read on the web. And I also bought one from eBay, and that's coming, but I don't know what they said. It came from an EX, not EX. EX is the wrong, it's a different part number. It's for a non-ABS, but I think I would trust this one more. I'm gonna try this out. Pretty much like this is what I've been waiting on. But look at this baby, man. I can't hide it. It shows. Is it overkill? You know, to put it on the Civic? For me, if you ask me, no, it's not. Like I said, I've been wanting to get or to own one of these, so it's all worth it for me. Yeah, it took me that long to get one. Thank you guys for watching, and I I hope I'll see you in the next episode. Hey, like and subscribe, man. Alright? Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye, everyone. Man. It's like having a baby for the first time. Jeez.